Hello learners, welcome to the Techademy platform. In this video, we'll guide you through the various steps of your learning journey with us. Let's get started. Logging into Techademy. To begin, log into the Techademy portal using the credentials you received via email. Once you're logged in, you are ready to embark on your learning adventure. Learning Content Overview. After logging in, you will land on the home page. Here you can view the time spent, daily streak points, explore various in-house catalogs, and other features. At the top of the menu, your learning content is curated under My Learnings. This section contains three categories: My Courses, Learning Path, and Advanced Learning Path. Depending on the assigned learning content, you can dive deeper into your learning journey. Accessing learning content. Click on Advanced Learning Path to view components categorized as Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Select Not Started and click on Start Learning. On the next page, Advanced Learning Path Structure, you can access the various learning paths assigned to you and begin your journey. Learning Courses and Practical Assignment. Start with the first learning path. The first tile will feature your learning course and practical assignment. These courses cover a wide range of topics, handpicked and customized to address your technical knowledge gaps. Each course concludes with a practical assignment, allowing you to apply your newly acquired knowledge, ensuring a holistic learning experience. Upon submitting a practical assignment, click on the View Results tab to see your results. On the right side of the video player, there are 5 icons, each serving a unique function: and easy access to experts, on-demand, notes, code labs, and cloud labs. Cloud Labs. Access Cloud Labs to perform coding based on your assignments. During the course, you can access the lab anytime by clicking this icon. Once completed, click Power Off to terminate the lab. Code Lab. We have 70 plus compilers wherein you can practice coding by inputting commands, compile and run, and can save the codes for reference. Notes. Save and write important notes. By clicking on the expert icon, you can get expert help to address any queries regarding the course. Assessment. At the end of each course, you will need to complete assessments, which are in MCQ or coding format. The allotted time and number of questions are provided. Start the assessment by clicking the Start button. Once finished, submit and end. If you have any queries during the assessment, it can be addressed through the Yaksha chatbot. Post the assessments, you will be able to view and download the results. Mentor on Demand. Reach out to the mentors for any course-related questions by scheduling a connect with them. Gamification. Every activity you do on the portal earns you milestone points. For example, uploading your profile picture earns you 10 points. As you progress and earn more points, you get promoted on the leaderboard and can achieve different level badges like Silver, Gold, and Platinum. You can view and compete with peers in the Compete with Friends tab. Notifications. Any specific notifications from an admin or manager can be viewed under Announcements. Specific courses assigned or self-enrolled can be seen under Notifications. Calendar. Click on the session dates available in the calendar to navigate to the courses mapped to those sessions. Click on the live sessions to view scheduled and upcoming sessions. Post completion of the sessions, you can see the recording on the View Recordings tab and can submit your feedback. Conclusion. Upon successful completion of the program, you will not only master the necessary skills but will be also proficient in applying this knowledge seamlessly in real life and live project applications. Thank you for watching.